from Sambuca di Sicilia. I'm Tamara Holmes,
And I'm Gary Holm.
and we bought a house,
Well, technically two. We're putting them together, so it'll be one.
and we're renovating, and we want to show you everything we're working on.
It's old, but it's gonna be new. But old.
The crown jewel of our house is for sure the rooftop terrace. It's got almost 360 views of the hills of Adrianone and our local lake. It also has some really dated structures on top. This part of the house is so exciting, and it's where we've started our renovation.
It's an access point for moisture at a minimum. I like it. That's the most hugest deck I've ever seen if we do that. Dude, I used this ladder to get on the roof here. It's so rickety. It was the scariest thing I've ever done. It's only like an 8-foot ladder. And hillside stuff over here. You're gonna get this hillside. You're not gonna get the lake from here, but you're cooking. You're still enjoying the view. You know what I mean?
We're basically working our way from top to bottom. 4th floor terrace down to the ground floor. So, here's the terrace. Starting with getting rid of these buildings. We have to keep the stairwell, but we don't have to keep the half that's obstructing the view of the lake. So that's going to go first.
Demo pickup day. Gotta pull the demo. Break it apart. We gotta take it somewhere. It's demo day.
Think about what I'm on.
Got a truck for pickup because you can't have a dumpster.
Oh yeah, no dumpster truck here.